Hi, everybody. Happening in Fulton. The push to get Fulton County residents vaccinated and tested continues as the number of COVID-19 cases continues to cause concern. Dr. Lynn Paxton is overseeing this process for the Fulton County Board of Health, and she is on the front line. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So tell everyone, what is the process to get a vaccine?
Sure, absolutely. Well, I just need to preface this by reminding everyone that the unfortunate situation is that there are simply not enough vaccine doses available in Georgia or in the country to immediately meet the need of everyone who is eligible to get it. So, what we have all been forced to rely on is a wait list. As we get vaccines in, we make them available. We make appointment slots available. So in the meantime, we have people who are interested in getting a vaccine to sign up on our wait list. And the way that they do that is they go to the Fulton County government website. And on that website, you will find a link for signing up for the vaccine. When they click on the link, they'll give their email address. And they will they'll get a confirmation email saying that we now have your email address. So when slots actually open up, when we have vaccine coming in and we're able to open up appointment slots, then that person will receive an email from us with a link to where they can actually make an appointment. They will see, when they click on that link, they will see all the available times and the locations, and they can choose where they will get their first dose. And then they'll get a confirmation email of that appointment. As for the second dose, when somebody comes for their first dose, we're going to make their appointment at that time for their second dose. So that makes it a lot easier. When you come for your first dose, you will then receive an appointment for your second dose. And then shortly before your second dose is due, we will send you an email just as a reminder. So I hope that's clear. Again, I just have to emphasize, though, that being on the wait list, we do not know exactly when vaccines are all going to be available. And so we make appointments available as they come up. And so it could be a period of weeks before a slot becomes available for everyone on the wait list. So we're just going through them, in order as people get onto the wait list.
And how is testing going, and where can people go to get one?
Well, actually, nothing has really changed in terms of our recommendation for getting a COVID test. Everyone should get a COVID test if they have symptoms that makes them believe that that they might have COVID. If they know that they've been around someone who has COVID, they should absolutely, get a test. Or if they even suspect that they were in a situation that might have put them at a higher risk of getting COVID, then we encourage people to get a test. We continue to operate, numerous testing sites around Fulton County. So what I do, I urge people to go check on the Fulton County site, and it'll tell you where we're doing testing that week. And then when you can make an appointment, or for testing, you can even just show up and be tested. So that's what I would recommend. We do not recommend that people get tested like on a regular basis, like every week or something like that. That's not really helpful. We advise you to get tested if you have a reason to be tested.
And doctor, I know you're busy, so just wrap it up for me.
Oh, absolutely. We cannot let down our guard. As many people are aware, actually, our rates of COVID are skyrocketing now, as they have been, as we expected they would after the holidays. And so we're getting, many cases every day of COVID. This is not going to go away for a while. And as I have mentioned several times already, the vaccine, although it's here, there's not enough to vaccinate everyone right away. And so we are all going to have to be dependent on you doing the things that we know work, which are wearing a mask whenever you're out in public, keeping your distance, not congregating in groups, and to wash your hands. And we're all going to have to keep on doing that for many months. Even people who have been fully vaccinated, we do not yet know whether they might still be capable of being a carrier of the virus. So therefore, they might not be sick themselves, but they might still be able to carry the virus and pass it on to someone else. So even people who have been fully vaccinated are advised that they must continue doing all of the socially, all the COVID prevention measures that we know work: masks, social distancing, wash your hands, don't congregate in groups.
Dr. Lynn Paxton, kudos to you and your team. Thank you so much for your time. Now, to get more information again on the vaccine or the test, you can visit the Fulton County website. That's just some of what's happening in Fulton. To stay connected with us, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also check us out on our YouTube channel, so please do us a favor and subscribe. Well, that does it for this edition. Thank you so much for watching. Join us daily for news around and about Fulton County.